Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Mahesh, and in today's video, we'll be seeing how you can get started with Salesforce. So, as I've in the previous video, I've already done the introduction of Salesforce. You can see that video and get some basic knowledge about Salesforce, why Salesforce basically was started. So in today's video, we'll be seeing how you can get started with Salesforce. So first of all, you need to have one Salesforce developer account. For that, you can go to this link, that is developer.salesforce.com, and basically fill up some details here. Once you have filled up details, you can basically click on sign me up and you will receive one confirmation email. Once you have confirmed that email, you will be landed to this developer account and you would be logged in. So first of all, you would be seeing this page. This page is basically the setup page. I'll be going through some of the core components of Salesforce, which you should be knowing, and from there you can get started. So if you see, this is the setup page, and before the setup page, you can see this app launcher. So once you click on this app launcher, basically from here you can actually open any of the apps here. You can create your own apps and have some logo for your app, and then basically open the apps here. uh, this is app page, and this is the object manager. Object manager is where you can manage your objects. So Salesforce has uh, two type of objects. So basically one is the standard object, and second is the custom objects. So standard objects are the objects which actually comes out of the box from Salesforce. So for example, accounts, contacts, opportunities, and leads. So these are few of the objects that are standard objects. There are many standard objects. If you can see the type, it is mentioned here. So all these are standard objects, that is comes directly from Salesforce out of the box. So whatever objects you create is basically the custom object. So if you see this button here, create button, you can create a custom object from according to your business need. Whatever is required, you can create a custom object. So I'll be showing one app called a sales app. This app is usually used by the sales people in the organization, wherein they can basically create an account. Under an account, they can create contacts, they can create opportunities, leads, codes, code lines, whatever they want. So for example, let me go to the accounts tab. You have different tabs here. You can basically customize the tabs using this pencil button also, but we will leave it as it is as of now. If you go to the account tab, you can basically see a list of all the accounts present here currently. If you see the list view that is present for this account tab is basically the recently viewed. We haven't actually viewed anything, that's why this list is empty. If you click on this, and you will be seeing the different list views. You can click on this all account list views, that will list all the accounts present in this organization. So here is the almost all the account that is listed here, and you can create a new account whenever a new deal is set up with your organization. So let's say I create a new account and I name it as PepsiCo. And then if you see this asterisk sign, this is basically, it denotes that this is a required field. You'll have to fill it, unless and until you will not be able to create the account. So this is the only required field you can see here. I can just click on save and the account will be created. So that account is created. Now account is basically a company which you have deal with your organization, and whatever people who works under that company would be contacts. So you can create contacts. So they are the people who would be working under PepsiCo. So let's say I create a new contact here. So this is a required field. I'll just add in some details for the new contact. Let's say John Brasco, and then I can enter some details here as well. All right. Uh, you can add some email, test@gmail.com. Let's say I've entered some dummy email, and then click on save. So a new contact would be created, and if I open that new contact, go to the details page. If you can see the account it is linked with is PepsiCo, so I've created under that account. So if I open the account again, if you go under this related tab, you will see this John Brasco as the new contact under account PepsiCo. And if you can see this, there are three tabs here: related, details, and news. So related is basically what all objects which are related to account object. So for example, contact is related to account, wherein there can be multiple contacts under an account. Same thing for opportunities, and same thing for cases, notes, and attachments. If you click on this details page or details tab, this will basically show you all the information related to that account. Whatever fields are present under that account, you will be able to see those fields. You can update those fields as well according to your business needs. So this is where you can create accounts and contacts. You can directly go to the contacts tab also and create a new contact from this new button. I directly opened that account, and then from the related tab I had created this new contact. So you can there are two ways you can create contacts from Salesforce. Same way you can create leads and opportunities as well. So leads are basically the actual customers, or you would know that these are the potential customers you would be working with. So you can create leads for that. Once the lead is created, you can create opportunities as well, wherein when you sell some products, you would be having some record for that, like which all customers are purchasing what all products. So that kind of opportunity you can create here. So these is basic actually core components of Salesforce, if you can see. And if I go ahead and show you this setup page, this is the gear icon. Once you click on this, you can just click on setup button also. Once you have clicked that setup button, you would be again presented with that setup page that I showed you initially. If you click on this object manager, and if I show you the account object, you can go ahead and see every other objects and see what all things it has, but it's the same structure that I'll be showing you here. So let me open this account object. From here you can basically manage all the things for account object. So for example, if I go to account again, that PepsiCo account that we created, if I go to the details tab, there are numerous fields here, and all the fields can be managed from this page itself. So if I go to this fields and relationships, that will display me all the fields that you have for the account object. Okay, what is the field name, okay, what is the data type for that field, all those things you can see here. Basically you can create new fields according to your business needs. So for example, let's say under this account or any account, I wanted one more field. Let's say what is my business hours, so you can put in those hours, that field here. Okay, that field can be created from this fields and relationship button. So you can create a new field from here, and then you can add that field to the layout, and according to this you can basically manage your all other objects as well in your org. So this is basically what the look and feel is like once you start working on this. You should be able to get familiarized with all of them quick and fast. So let's jump into a next thing, that is I'll be showing you one self-learning portal from where you can basically learn all the things. Basically, you can just get started with Salesforce using that portal, and that portal name is Trailhead. Once you open Trailhead, you should be you should you would have to create one new account here, and then once you create the new account, you will be able to see different things here. So if you see this learn tab, you can basically learn modules, projects, anything that you want. So let's say if I go to trials, I've already logged into Trailhead, and this trial you can basically see what all things you can do with Salesforce. So all the fundamentals of Salesforce you can learn it from here, and this is the basic things that you can get started with. So that's it that I wanted to share with you, how you can get started with Salesforce. And next, in couple of coming videos, I would be going deeper down into some other stuff that Salesforce has to offer, and according to mostly I will be going through the items which mostly developers do. So those items I would be showing into the next videos. So see you next time. Take care and bye. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.